Well, there's Pork Chop and me heading down the old door shack. Part 2 and back are on their way. Swamp Creek, here we come. There's the old damn bridge. Well, here we come into Swamp Creek. Camp's open, it looks like. Where we'll camp. Looks like Tara's got the tent up. Almost, she says.
Yeah, well, it's up. It's not staked.
Okay, we'll stake it. Poles are ready. Here comes Part 2 and family, their new vessel. What's going on? You got a stick dragging on your boat.
A what?
Stick.
Yeah.
What's going on, Jameson? Hank? Back up, Part 2.
Hey.
Coming in. We're heading to go fishing and the boys are swimming. Having a good old time. Here we are trolling along this nice beautiful evening. Got 5 caught. Part 2 and back and the boys are up there playing in their boat. So made her back. Part 2's new hot rod. The old fish getter. We got 17 in 2 hours. Part 2 said to fish every 6 minutes. Camp set up. Go have a little toddy and sit down. Our beautiful morning this morning. Kids are still sleeping. Me and Tara are gonna go try to catch some kokanee. Well, it's pretty out this morning. They lied, it's not great fishing. Got a lot of bites, but I think we only got like 7 fish this morning. 6, 7. Not that great this morning. Stopped for a little coffee. We got 13 this morning. Get some coffee and troll back towards where Part 2's at. Find Part 2 back and the boys, see what's going on. Just nice, beautiful morning on the old pond. Well, we just ate some pizza, had some coffee. Heading to Falls Creek. What do you want to do, Motormouth? Oh, I'm going on a boat ride. Got 25. Kokanee fishing died off here in the middle of the day. We need 4 more. Get 50. Sit here and watch pulls. Go insane. Tomorrow, not gonna be down here tomorrow. You have today. Oh, now Caleb jumped in.
I'm still going.
Oh, that is wonderful.
Fried chicken.
Yeah. Is that wonderful? I'll get him, Hanky Pank.
Huh?
Nah, it's pretty shallow.
No, about 3 feet.
It's mild like salsa.
Caleb and Jameson are fighting. Part 2 has to reload for him. Time to go break camp, go home. Good little time on the pond.
He tried to shake it off.
Those things are great.
Well, we're gonna break camp. The kids are still out playing. Partu and Beck and their boys, and Caleb and Sierra and their boys. Or boy, and one coming boy. But Tara's breaking down the tent. And we're gonna head home. Okay, our tent is down and we are out of here. Done fishing for the weekend. Thank you, Door Shack.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Idaho.
See you next time.
Well, this here's Swamp Creek. Tara and I just broke camp. There's camp here, picnic table and all that. Bathroom there. We camped on that point. There's between 3 and 5 places for tents, depending how big. And anyway, we're gonna head to the launch. Kids are still playing, and get home, take care of the fish and whatnot, and go from there. Good weekend. Well, there's the launch. We're loaded up, heading home. Good little day and a half trip, or whatever you want to call it. Almost 24 hours. All right, bye-bye. There's Lotto. Worst part about going to the pond is either got to go down Freeman Creek, which is an hour and 15 to 20 from the house, or come this way, which is about the same, but puts you further up the pond and less people. The gravel road is no good.
Okay.
Yep. They're not very big, but you can catch a pile of them. We spray the scales off and can them like this. I know there's 100 different methods. This is our method. That's how we do it. Chop them up, put them in the brine. That's the end of our fishing trip. Perfect, thanks. Alright, they ain't very big, but hey, you can catch a bucket full of them. 5-gallon bucket full of them in 8 hours. It's fun. Plus, got to spend time with my grandkids, my son, his wife, and daughter-in-law, and then Caleb and Sierra, and my wife, Tara. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Oh yeah, mixing up the brine. Special sauce. Alright, moment of truth. Voila, there it is, canned kokanee. Perfect. Okay, well there you have it. Got plain there with just my brine on it, and shake them off. No juice, that's all oil out of them. And this one's got 2 tablespoons of sriracha in it, so they taste spicy. End of the kokanee trip.